How to seal a concrete floor with moisture-cured polyurethane coating. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to seal a concrete floor with a 2K moisture-cured polyurethane coating. Whether you're working in a garage, basement, or workshop, applying a concrete coating not only enhances the floor's appearance, but also provides long-lasting protection. Sealing your concrete floor comes with many benefits. Durability. 2K moisture-cured polyurethane coatings create a durable surface that can withstand foot traffic, vehicles, and impacts, making them perfect for high-traffic areas like garages and workshops. Protection against stains, moisture, and chemicals. Concrete is porous, which means it can easily absorb dirt, oil, water, and chemicals. A good coating seals the surface from these contaminants. Visual appeal. 2K moisture-cured polyurethane coatings can transform the look of a concrete floor. Ease of cleaning. A sealed floor is much easier to clean and maintain. Cost effectiveness. Though the initial cost may seem high, the long-term durability of these coatings will save on maintenance and repairs. So what is a 2K moisture-cured polyurethane coating? It's a two-component coating that cures in the presence of moisture. It's known for high durability, chemical and stain resistance, visual appeal, and fast curing time. KBS Coatings offers 2K moisture-cured polyurethane coatings, KBS MAXX and KBS MAXX Clear. Both offer excellent UV stability, gloss retention, adhesion, and impact resistance. Their formulation includes polyurea resin, providing high tensile strength, flexibility, and chemical resistance. KBS MAXX Clear is crystal clear to let the floor show through, while KBS MAXX is opaque and available in over 24 colors. MAXX and MAXX Clear can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed. Before applying the coating, thorough preparation is key for a long-lasting bond between the coating and the floor. Start by cleaning the floor thoroughly of dirt, grease, and contaminants that can stand in the way of MAXX bonding. KBS Clean is perfect for this as it won't leave residue that could hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Clean with warm water and scrub the floor with a bristle brush or electric floor scrubber. Clean can also be used with a power washer. Rinse and dry the surface thoroughly. Instructions for KBS Clean can be found on the KBS website. Next, muriatic acid or a concrete grinder can be used to roughen the surface for best coating adhesion. When done, make sure the concrete is completely dry before applying the coating. Once the floor is prepped, it's time for KBS MAXX or KBS MAXX Clear. Start by mixing the base, stirring in an upward motion from the bottom of the can to the top. Next, measure 3 parts of the mixed base into a clean mixing cup or container. Now add 1 part of MAXX Activator, mixing the two components thoroughly. Thinning is generally unnecessary, but if needed, MAXX and MAXX Clear can be thinned by about 5% using KBS No. 1 thinner or xylene. Apply a minimum of 3 even coats. For proper curing, apply multiple thin coats instead of fewer thick ones. Avoid puddling and pooling. When brushing or rolling, apply and move on immediately instead of repeatedly going over the same area. This prevents premature curing and brush marks. MAXX and MAXX Clear will reach hard cure in 3 to 4 hours and full cure within 7 days. Instructions for KBS MAXX can be found on the KBS website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can achieve a professional quality finish that not only looks great, but also protects your concrete floors for years. Whether you choose KBS MAXX or KBS MAXX Clear, you'll have a durable, high-performance coating that will stand up to the test of time. KBS products are proudly made in the USA.